It's a great day here in Southwest Florida in Lakewood Ranch. I'm out here at Neal Community's home called the Carlotta. Now, the reason I came out here today is because in Country Club East, they're basically sold out. And I got an email this morning that said, hey, we have one of these on a quick move-in. So as you know, inventory is very tight. So let's go in here and see what they have for this particular model.
Don't buy real estate if you experience allergic reactions to happiness, satisfaction, pride, fulfillment, contentment. Stop buying real estate if you don't like community, a sea of belonging, a diversified portfolio. Buying real estate may cause you to shop at hardware stores, furniture stores, and design centers. See your realtor immediately if you experience any of these symptoms.
Hello, I'm Mark Bamig with Michael Saunders & Company, and in this channel, Living in Lakewood Ranch, I cover all the areas surrounding Lakewood Ranch, Siesta Key, Longboat Key, Anna Maria Island, Sarasota. So if you get value out of these videos, just click that little subscribe button and ding the little bell so that every time I put up a new video, you'll be notified. So this is the Carlotta model from Neal Signature, and I'm going to give you a little tip. If you see any houses when you're driving through, when you happen to be around, and their street number is in that format, that is signifying that it is a Neal home. So any format that you see, that's going to show that it's a Neal home. So this is a 3-car home. It has one front load and one side load. That's the single car there. That's the 2-car there, and it has a small entryway. Now there is no electricity in this house, so we're just going to have to do the best we can with the natural light, but it'll actually give you a good idea to see what kind of natural light that it has in this home. So as soon as you enter, they have a full bathroom here, and it's right between 2 bedrooms that are a pretty good size for a standard bedroom. Just the bypass doors there for a standard closet, and very nice sized windows in here. And this would be the 3rd bedroom here as well. It's not quite as big as the 2nd one, but still nice windows and great lighting, and another set of bypass doors for a reach-in closet. Heading back to the front, that right there will be the garage. Like I said, no electricity, but that's a standard size garage. That's probably going to be close to 20 by 21, something of that size. Now the hallway here is quite wide, which gives a very big open feel, and the ceiling height in here is probably at least 12 feet. This is a huge bonus room, office, den, whatever you might want to call it, with a set of glass doors. We have a small coat closet, and as you imagine, we don't have many coats here in Florida. And this is good. The laundry room is not in the pathway of the garage, so you actually have a separate laundry room, and I would imagine that this is going to be your air handler. No, this is just a linen closet, so you have a good sized linen closet there. This is where all the controls are for the house, for your Cat 5 and Cat 6 cable, and also for coax cable. And there's the air handler there. Nice big open kitchen with a huge island. We do have gas in this community here. And this house has not finished their punch list, so there's still quite a few small things to do. Have some nice pendant lighting in here. And again, the ceiling height in here is probably about 12 feet. Nice transom windows above the slider door and the big windows. And you do have a small walk-in pantry. And that was where probably the microwave and oven combination will be. Bosch refrigerator. And this is going to serve as a half bath. So it is a 2.5 bathroom. No mirror installed yet, but they do actually have a window in there, which is nice. And then that's the door, so that creates that as a pool bath. Going back to the master bath, it is a dual walk-in shower. Really neat, with a separate water closet, 2 sinks, and then in a walk-in closet back here. And it is, they have one side and then another side. Sorry it's so dark in here, but you get the idea. And then the master bedroom. And I'll put a floor plan, I'll lay a floor plan in here so you can actually get a size of square footage on the home, which is around 2,600 square feet. And now we'll just take a quick walk outside. This house was listed at $861,990, I believe. Now they said that it was available, but when I talked to the guy at the office across the street, he indicated that they had an offer. He was 95% sure that it was going to go through, but you never know. So they have that set up so you can put a TV on this wall here. They have a small pool. It is plumbed for an outdoor kitchen, so you have your full water, drain, electric, and gas all right there along with the 2 outlets. Now the only thing I don't see here is if you were to put in a vent hood, it doesn't look like it's already set up for a vent hood, although I could be wrong on that. And then the lanai over here is just very large. That screen there that you see, that is the pool required code. That is a screen that goes around the pool for safety. And of course you would pull that out when you lived here, but if you're not here for any length of time, they suggest that you put that up. Now these plants right here are called Eureka Palms, and those things will get gigantic, and that's what's going to create the buffer to give you the privacy that you're going to want, so that you're not looking at the backside of somebody's house all the time. So these things grow pretty fast. Probably within a year you won't be able to see through that foliage there, which will create the privacy that somebody would want. So that'll give you a little idea of the Neal property here inside of Country Club East. And I was thinking the other day, it might be nice if any of you watching me on YouTube and watching any of the videos that I put together, if anybody wants to shoot me back a short video and said, hey, my name is whatever your name is and where you're from, I'd love to start adding it to a few of the end of my videos so people can see where everybody comes from that locates here into Lakewood Ranch. So I would just say, hey, this is Mark, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Maybe you'd have a picture of your house in the background or where you live or however you want to do it, maybe an area that you like. But who knows, maybe someone would want to create some stuff like that and just send it to me, and I would be glad to start collecting some of those and adding them onto some of the end of the videos, just so that other people out there can see where people come to and who actually I'm reaching on the videos. If you like what you see, just hit that little subscribe button and ding the little bell so every time I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Don't forget to call, email, or text. I'll be glad to help you out if you find yourself coming to the Lakewood Ranch area to look for property. Mark Bay, Michael Saunders and Company.